Hello there. Just wanted to do a quick video this morning to say thanks very much to everyone who has subscribed to the channel. The channel hit 1,000 this morning about 9:30 when 2MoPaul subscribed. So I can't thank you all enough. And Lassie, thanks you as well. Lassie! She was buzzing like a wee drone this morning, weren't you, Hen? She loved it, so thanks very much. So, to say thanks, what I'm going to do is, in about a week's time, I'm going to select at random, YouTube can do this, a comment from this video, and I'm going to send you a prize. So, I won't tell you what it is now, but it's quite a nice little thing that I've got for you, lined up for you. And the other thing I wanted to think about doing was a video that, when I'll speak about the past month, what I've done on the channel, the different things that I did to help it to grow a bit. And it seems that it's been fairly successful because I've gone from 27 subscribers, which was family and friends, to 1,000 subscribers in exactly 1 month. So if any of you are interested in hearing about how I did that and what techniques and tactics I used, if I used any, let me know in the comments, and if there are enough people interested in a video like that, I'll create that and let you know how I have achieved this. Without you guys, I couldn't have achieved anything. So thanks very much once again.